This demo lets you quickly explore in pre-built integration templates where you want to simulate external events coming into that template. So if you're planning on using your internal API endpoints from your own product and then push some information into integration template on Appmixer, this is a quick way to simulate that. So you can see the on-app event component here, and you can just create a sample event and even put in a sample payload that's going to come in on that event trigger. Then we have a condition filtering out certain parameters. In this case, is looking for the hotlead parameter to be true. And then if that matches the condition, it's going to send an update to Slack. Now, since this is a template, you can select how that's going to look for your end users. And you can do that under Edit Wizard. You can see a preview of the template. It's a simple form where the end users will just fill in the last missing details. In this case, it's a channel where they want to deliver that notification. So you can edit that form for your end users here in this dialog. You can add more fields or customize them here. For example, the channel, I can add it to Slack channel, and you can see that it changes here in the preview. You can also add more fields quickly by using the green magic wand button here. So you can do that in two ways, either using these buttons, add or remove it like this, or go into Edit Wizard. Now, once it's done and you want to test it, you just go into Start Test. Now you see what the template will look like for your end users. So here I've connected to my account, and here I'll just select a channel. I have some pre-configured data, but I can modify it, or I can select different data coming in from the event. I'll just click Start Test. Now the test is running, but to simulate that external event coming in, I'll just hit Send App Event. And I can just copy paste the data that's in the hint here, or I'll also provide instructors for this template where you can also copy paste that. And then you hit Send App Event. Once that happens, the trigger will be activated and it's going to send the data to the right destination. And once you've tested the template, you can just publish it under here to an embedded integration marketplace. Now, I'll link more information on that in the instructions for this demo.